Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained what is acid-base indicators and why indicators changes color. In this video, I would like to explain suitable indicator for titration of strong acid with strong base. So this video is very important and please do not skip. Well, now classification of acid-base titration. Acid-base titration are of mainly four types. First one is strong acid versus strong base, strong acid versus weak base, weak acid versus strong base, and weak acid versus weak base. So in this video I will show the first one, strong acid versus strong base. Well, these are the typical example of strong acid versus strong base, and then acid base indicators. These are the typical example of indicators and their colors in acidic solution and basic solution and working pH range. Then, however, it should be remembered that some indicators display more than one color. Well, here I have shown a typical example of pH neutralization curve for titration of strong acid hydrochloric acid and strong base sodium hydroxide. So, if you draw a vertical line along x-axis, and if you see the working pH range for phenolphthalein is 8.2 to 10, and for methyl orange it is 3.2 to 4.4, and for methyl red it is 4.4 to 6.1. So for all cases the vertical line is within the working pH range of these indicators, and so these indicators are suitable indicators for this type of titration. So major takeaway: if working pH range of an indicator falls within the region of vertical line of pH curve, then it is suitable